In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets. Whether you've encountered a sheet that needs editing but is protected, or you simply want to learn how to remove protection for future reference, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, we need to open Google Sheets. So, go ahead and open up your Google Sheets application or head to Google Sheets in your web browser. Once there, you'll want to locate the specific document that you need to unprotect. Typically, this will be a shared document or one that you've received from someone else, and it might be protected to prevent accidental changes. Now that you have your document open, navigate to the sheet you want to unprotect. In Google Sheets, you can have multiple sheets within a single document, so double-check that you're on the right one. Once you're sure, look for the Data option on your toolbar. It's usually toward the top of your screen. Clicking on Data unveils a drop-down menu that we'll be using in just a moment. From the Data menu, we need to click on Protect Sheets and Ranges. This is a crucial step because it's where we access all the settings related to protecting and unprotecting sheets. When you click this, a sidebar appears on the right side of your screen. This sidebar is the control center for all your protection settings. Next, you will notice options under each protected sheet or range. Look for the one labeled Can Edit. Clicking this brings up another set of options which are essential to what we're trying to achieve. Here you'll find a trash icon, which is your next stop. Click on this trash icon. Essentially, this action tells Google Sheets that you wish to remove the protection settings currently applied to your chosen sheet. Finally, we need to confirm that you indeed want to remove these restrictions. Simply click on Remove, which is usually a dialog or a confirmation button that pops up once you click the trash icon. This step finalizes the unprotection process, giving you full access to edit the sheet as needed. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets. This process is straightforward and ensures that you can manage your documents more flexibly or collaborate with others with an open editing capability. Keep this guide handy for whenever you need to tackle another protected sheet. Thank you for following along, and happy Google Sheets editing!